Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been sharing a number of sweet recipes on YouTube recently, so I've decided to share one of my favorite savory dishes. Today we're making Pudina Aloo, or minted potatoes. This recipe combines my love for fresh mint and, of course, the humble potato. This could be eaten as a main with roti or rice, or you could even have it as an entree like I personally love to eat it, with just a little bit of yogurt on top. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 potatoes. I've used baby potatoes, but you could go ahead and use small red skin potatoes, chap potatoes, whichever you prefer. After boiling them, chop them into small pieces. Bite-sized chunks work best. You're also going to need 3/4 cup of tightly packed fresh mint leaves, 1/3 cup of tightly packed fresh coriander leaves. Include the stalks in this as well. About 1/4 cup of water, a 1-inch stick of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 small green chilli chopped finely, and finally we need 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. If you don't have any on hand, you can find this at your local Indian grocer and nowadays at every supermarket, but if you still can't find it, you can omit this from the recipe. To start off, we need to process our mint, coriander, ginger, and the water in a food processor or a NutriBullet like I have in the video. You want to make a smooth paste, so make sure there's no lumps and all of that ginger is completely pulverized. Now in a saucepan, heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and once that starts to get hot, add in all of the cumin seeds and then the chili. You'll start to see that the cumin seeds and chili start to bubble. That's okay. Use a wooden spoon to stir these around. You're not trying to burn the seeds, you're just trying to release some of the wonderful flavors. Once the chili and cumin seeds have sputtered and you can smell all of that wonderful flavor, add in all of the potatoes. The idea here is to get the potatoes lightly crispy and coat them with that flavored oil. Once the potatoes are coated really well, add in all of the mint and coriander mixture. This is quite a watery mixture, that's perfectly okay. That water is going to evaporate away as you continue to cook the potatoes. We really want the potatoes to soak in all of that flavor, so don't worry, it's all going to work out in the end. Mix this through really well, and once the mixture has reached a gentle boil, add in the lemon juice. You can see now in the video that the potatoes have dried out really well, and we're left with a thick potato mixture. At this point, sprinkle over the garam masala if you're using it, and mix the ingredients through. And there you have my Pudina Aloo. This is such an easy recipe. It honestly comes together in less than 15 minutes, and it's a wonderful snack for a cold day and a really delicious entree or even a main. If you're serving this as a snack or an entree, I love adding some yogurt and fresh chili over the top with a sprig of coriander. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, let me know what other recipes you want to see. I'll catch you guys next week.